There have been, over the years, a lot of questions about what is a suppressor and how quiet does a suppressor need to be. Is that a replaceable part, or is this a part of a deadly controlled item that's going to require massive paperwork just to get a few extra little discs of rubber to put in there? The ATF has not made a hard ruling, and in fact, they've actually decided different things at different times. They've had a lot of different questions about things that should be really easy to measure, like barrel length, but over time they have gotten fuzzier.